ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थ विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
नत्वा श्री भारती तीर्थ विद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
पञ्चकोश विवेक प्रकरणे 39तम श्लोकः 29। सत्यत्वं बाधराहित्यं जगद्बाधैकसाक्षिणः
सत्यत्वं बाधराहित्यं जगद्बाधैकसाक्षिणः।
बाधक्यं साक्षिको ब्रूहि न त्वसाक्षिक इष्यते।
बाधक्यं साक्षिको ब्रूहि न त्वसाक्षिक इष्यते।
अपनीतेषु मूर्तेषु ह्यमूर्तं शिष्यते यत्।
अपनीतेषु मूर्तेषु ह्यमूर्तं शिष्यते यत्।
शक्येषु बाधितेष्वन्ते शिष्यते यत्तदेव तत्।
शक्येषु बाधितेष्वन्ते शिष्यते तदेव तत्।
देवदत्त
सर्वबाधेन किञ्चिच्छेद्यन्न किञ्चित् तदेव तत्।
सर्वबाधेन किञ्चित् चेद्यन्न किञ्चित् तदेव तत्।
भाषायेवात्र विद्यन्ते निर्बाधं तावदस्ति हि।
भाषायैवात्र भिद्यन्ते निर्बाधं तावदस्ति।
Up to that we have seen. आत्मा सत्यम, साक्षी चैतन्यम सत्यम, सत्यत्वम इत्युक्ते बाधरागित्यम, बाधशून्यत्वम। आत्मनः सत्यत्वम उपपादयितुं सत्यत्व लक्षणम् उच्यते। बाधरागित्यम् इत्यर्थः सत्यत्वम् इत्युक्ते कालत्रयेऽपि आत्मनः बाधः न भवति, अतः आत्मा सत्यम्। साक्षी चैतन्यम सत्यम, आत्मा सत्यम। तेन जगतः जगतः बाधः भवति। जगद्बाधैक तस्य जगद्बाधैक साक्षिणः बाधः। किं साक्षिकः ब्रूहि न। साक्षि चैतन्यस्य बाधः किं वर्तते वा न वर्तते। किं साक्षिकः, कः साक्षी यस्य इति। किं साक्षिकः ब्रूहि न न वर्तते। साक्षी चैतन्यस्य बाधः साक्षी चैतन्य न वर्तते, अतः साक्षी चैतन्यम् असाक्षिकः। साक्षी चैतन्यम doesn't have a साक्षी चैतन्यम, it is साक्षी चैतन्यम। Jagat is negated by Sakshi Chaitanyam. That Jagat which is negated by the Sakshi Chaitanyam is negated by what Sakshi Chaitanyam? Brughi na. Kopi अन्य Sakshi Chaitanyam न वर्तते। साक्षिणः अभावे बाधः एव न सिद्ध्यति, अतः असाक्षिकः न इष्यते इति उक्तम्। यथा अपनीतेषु मूर्तेषु अमूर्तं यत् शिष्यते एव, यथा प्रकोष्ठात् सर्वाणि वस्तूनि अपसारयित्वा अन्ते प्रकोष्ठे किं वर्तते, आकाशः एव अवशिष्यते। आकाशस्य अपसारणं कर्तुं शक्यते वा न, यत् आकाशः शिष्यते एव। अतः बाधितेषु अन्तेषु यत् अवशिष्यते तदेव तत्, तदेव तत् इति। सर्वस्य बाधे कृते केवलम् अबाध्यं साक्षी चैतन्यम् अवशिष्यते, तदेव आत्मस्वरूपम् इति। यत् अवशिष्यते सर्वस्य बाधे कृते तदेव तत् साक्षी चैतन्यम् आत्मा इति। सर्वबाधे बाधेन सर्वबाधे सर्वस्य निषेधे कृते सति सर्वबाधेन किंचित किंचित न अवशिष्यते। यत्किंचित न अवशिष्यते इति अस्माभिः उक्तं। सर्वबाधे कृते किंचित न अवशिष्यते, यत्किञ्चित् न अवशिष्यते तदेव तत्. After negating everything, nothing is there. We say that nothing is what is that. सर्ववस्तूनां बाधे कृते यत् अवशिष्यते तदेव तत् इति उक्तं पूर्वं. सर्वस्य बाधे कृते यत्किञ्चित् न अवशिष्यते, केवलम् अभावः भवति इति. किन्तु न तु अभावः, अभावस्यापि साक्षि चैतन्यं. देयर इज अ विटनेस ऑफ नथिंग. यत्किञ्चित् न वर्तते इति, यत् न किञ्चित् इति शब्दः यदा प्रयुज्यते तदेव तदेव ब्रह्म इति. तदेव तत्. अपनीतेषु मूर्तेषु यत्किञ्चित् न वर्तते, न किञ्चित् इति शब्दः प्रयुज्यते, यदा प्रयुज्यते तदेव ब्रह्म इति. But shunya, nothing is there, we say nothing after removing everything. Only shunya, nothing is there. That shunya is that. Only the names are different. Whether you refer it to by the name Atma or Brahma or Shunya, that is what it is. So nothingness is there. The nothingness, nothing is. Is there. Without is, nothing cannot be there. Therefore, the on the is, the nothing is superimposed. On the is, nothing is superimposed. The nothing is what you expect is not there. Murta vastus are not there. Even amurta vastus are not there. But nothing is there. What is that nothing? सर्वस्य निषेधे कृते यत्किञ्चित् नावशिष्यते, किञ्चित् नावशिष्यते, न किञ्चित् इति शब्दः प्रयुज्यते. तस्य आधारः, अधिष्ठानं किं? तत् ब्रह्म एव. अतः साक्षी चैतन्यस्य साक्षी चैतन्यं वा ब्रह्म वा यत्किञ्चित् नावशिष्यते इति शब्देन वा प्रयोक्तुं शक्यते. अतः न किञ्चित् इति शब्देन तदेव कथ्यते, तदेव भवति इति कथ्यते. अतः अस्मिन् विषये भाषा एव अत्र भिद्यन्ते. भाषा, that is शब्दाः भिद्यन्ते. वर्ड्स आर डिफरेंट. निर्बाधं तावत् अस्ति हि. निर्बाधं निर्बाधं बाधरहितं. निर्बाधं तावत् अस्ति हि एव. that which cannot be negated. निर्बाधा, निर्गता बाधा यस्मात् तत् तत् अस्ति एव. निर्बाधं साक्षी चैतन्यं तावत् अस्ति एव इति. This shloka we saw up to this. Now the tika to this shloka. ननु प्रतीयमानस्य सर्वस्यापि निषेधे किंचित न अवशिष्यते. अतः कथं शिष्यते यत् तदेव तत् इति अवशिष्टस्य आत्मत्वमुच्यते इति शङ्कते. प्रतीयमानस्य सर्वस्यापि, प्रतीयमानस्य मूर्तस्य, प्रतीयमानस्य, that which is there available for negation, all, सर्वस्यापि, after negating everything, निषेधे कृते, we say किंचित् न अवशिष्यते, there is nothing left. Then how do you say when there is nothing left, that is there iti, that atmatvam is there, atmatattvam is there iti, katham uchyate iti shankate, the doubt is raised. Sarvabhadaha iti tasya samadhanam kritaha. Na kinchit avashishyate iti vadatapi, by the one who speaks, who tells, तथा प्रयोग सिद्धये सर्वभा विषयम ज्ञानम अवश्यम अभ्युपेतव्यम. अतः तदेव अस्मत् अभिमत आत्मस्वरूपमिति अभिप्रायेण परिहरति यन्नेति न किंचित अवशिष्यते इति वदता by the one who says nothing is there when the person uses न किंचित अवशिष्यते that प्रयोग सिद्धये सर्व अभाव विषयम ज्ञानम अवश्यम अभ्युपेतव्यम. There is nothing is there, that is the jnanam that is to be accepted. Therefore, nothing is there. That alone tadeva asmad abhimata atma rupam iti abhiprayena. That is what we say. That ataha tadeva asmat abhimata. Asmat abhimata, our view. Atma swarupam iti. Nothing is there. What he says is, that is what we say. Atma is there. Iti abhiprayena parigarati yanneti. न किंचित इति शब्देन यत् चैतन्यम् उच्यते तदेव तद्ब्रह्म इति अर्थः. By the word, by the expression न किंचित इति शब्दः, nothing is there. By that, चैतन्यम् उच्यते. Because witness cannot be negated. Witness is there. That is what we say. तदेव ब्रह्म इति. आत्मा is ब्रह्म इति. तदेव ब्रह्म. ननु न किंचित इति अभाववाचकेन न किंचित शब्देन कथं चैतन्यम् उच्यते इति आशंक्य. न किंचित, nothing is there iti. There is an expression of the absence of, expression of absence. Na kinchit shabdena. Then how do you say Chaitanyam is there iti? If you ask, if it is doubted. Bhada sakshiraha avashyam abhyupeyatvat. Negation implies there is a negator. A negator cannot be negated. Therefore, Bhada sakshiraha, the one who removes, who dismisses everything, that is, that Sakshi Chaitanyam, avashyam abhipeyatvat, to be necessarily accepted. Abhipeyatvat. Abhidayaka shabdeshu vipratyapatihi na abhideya iti pariharati bhasha iti. Only in terms of names, words, abhidayaka shabda, the words, what we use, there is Veda. Vipratyapatihi, there is difference, there are differences. You say Shunyam or you say Brahma or you say Atma, that avashishyate eva. So Abhideya in its meaning, in what it refers to, there is no difference. Whether you say Shunyam, nothing is there. The Shunyam is what we say Atma is. So only in Abhidayaka Shabda there is Veda. Abhidayaka Shabdeshu Vipratipattihi asti. Atu Abhideya Vishay, not in what it denotes, what the word denotes. Therefore, atra Bhada Sakshini Pratyakatmani Bhasha eva न किंचित साक्षी इत्यादि शब्दाः एव विद्यन्ते. Therefore, with regard to Bhada Sakshini Pratyekhatmani, that is Sati Saptami, that is Vishaya Saptami. With regard to Atma alone, Bhasha, the language, न किंचित साक्षी इत्यादि शब्दाः एव विद्यन्ते. There are differences only in terms of the language. Na kinchit, just it's a prayoga. Na kinchit avashishyate iti. Only in terms of words, in terms of language, there are differences. Nirbhadam bhadaragittam sakshi chaitanyam tu vidyate eva ityartaha. That unnegatable sakshi chaitanyam is there. That is what it means. That is the meaning. Sakshi chaitanyam cannot be negated. You can call Sakshi Chaitanyam or you can call by any other name, Shunya also. That is fine. It is there. So, na kinchit avashishyate means, avashishyate, what you think or what you expect is not there. So, the negator is there. That's why he gave the drishtanta, akashaha vyat asti eva, after removing everything from a house or from a room. Vyat avashishyate. Vyataha bhadaha kartum na shakyate. Ashakyaha tadvat. साक्षी चैतन्यस्य बाधः कर्तुं न शक्यते। अतः बाधरहितं साक्षी चैतन्यम् अस्ति एव, विद्यते एव इति। Now the next shloka 32. अत एव श्रुतिर्बाध्यं बाधित्वा शेषयत्यदः
अत एव
यं
श्रुतिर्बाध्यं
बाधित्वा
शेषयत्यदः
शेषयत्यतः
स एष नेति नेत्यात्मा इत्यत इत्यतद्व्यावृत्तिरूपतः
स एष
नित्यात्मा
नेतिनेत्यात्मा
इत्यव्यावृत्तिरूपतः
निरूपतः
इत्यतद्व्यावृत्तिरूपतः इति इत्यतद् is it doesn't fit in the meter. सः एषः नेति नेति इति आत्मा, that is the first quarter, इति अतद्व्यावृत्तिरूप इति अतद्व्यावृत्तिरूपतः. So therefore therefore iti plus atad ityatad vyavrittirupatah it fits in. Yeah. Okay, now here ata eva shruti badhyam baditva. Badhyam, that which can be negated. Badhyam yat prataya badhyam baditva sheshayati adaha. Adaha is adashabda. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnamadaha adashabda. Adashabda is asau. Ami in Pullinga. In Napumsakalinga, it is adaha. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam is adaha. Sakarantaha Napumsakalingaha Pratama vibhakti ekavachan rupam adaha. Adashabdasya adaha sheshayati. Ataha eva shutihi badhyam baditva sheshayati. Badhyam, that which can be negated, baditva. What can be negated? Atma bindam sarvam badhyate. Atma is abhadyam. Bhadyam is anatma. Abhadyam is atma. Atma to baditum ashakyaha. Ataheva ataha tasmadeva karana shrutihi vadati kimadati bhadyam baditva adaha sheshayati. After negating everything, adaha sheshayati. Ataheva, therefore Shruti follows the same method by negating everything, pointing out finally the Sakshi Chaitanyam Abhadyam. Shruti ataha eva Bhadyam Bhaditva Adaga Sheshayati. Negating the negatables. Then what is avashishyate? Brahma eva avashishyate. Sahayeva neti neti iti Atma atadvyavritti rupataha sheshayati. This is from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Atadvyavritti rupataha, in the form of atadvyavritti rupataha, in the form of vyavritti is negation. What is negated? Atad is negated. Anatma is negated. Atad, tad, na tad, atad. Atad is negated. Anatma is negated. Atmabinnam, atad, negated. Atmabinnam, atad, bhadyate. Atma na baditum. Atma na baditum shakyaha. अबाधः आत्मा, अतः अनात्मभ्यः आत्मवस्तु भेदेन प्रतिपादयति अत्र। तथा श्रुतिः सः एषः न इति न इति नेति नेति इति प्रक्रिया आत्मा आत्मा एव अवशिष्यते। वै टू टाइम्स नेति नेति इति? नञ् शब्दस्य प्रयोगः द्विवारं कृतः। किमर्थं न इति न इति? फर्स्ट नेगेशन नेति इति स्थूलप्रपञ्चस्य निषेधः कृतः, बाधः कृतः। द्वितीय नेति, द्वितीय नञ् शब्दस्य प्रयोगेन सूक्ष्मकारण प्रपञ्चस्य निषेधः कृतः। नेति नेति इति न इति निषेधः कृतः। सो स्थूल सूक्ष्म कारण प्रपञ्चानां निषेधः कृतः नेति नेति इति शब्देन। नेति नेति इति शब्देन निषेधं कृत्वा अधः शेषयति। किं तत् अधः? अधः इस् दट् सः एव आत्मा, सः एषः आत्मा, सः एषः आत्मा अवशिष्यते। अतद्व्यावृत्ति रूपतः, अतद्व्यावृत्ति इस् नेगेशन. In the form of negating the atad, tad, tadatma avashishyate, which is abhadyam. Bhadyam baditva adaga sheshayati. Bhadyam baditva adaga sheshayati. Saha yeshaha. Ataha saha yeshaha. Asaha is referring to saha yeshaha atma. Abhadyataya vidyamanaha atma sakshi chaitanyam eva na iti iti निषेधद्वारा अतद्व्याति रूपतः शेषयति श्रुतिः. That is, it is ityartha, that is the meaning. By neti neti iti, all the asatyam, anatmas are negated. Then after negating everything, that which cannot be negated, that is what is pointed out, that is satya atma. So negating the negatables, that which remains, that is non-negatable, that is a prakriya. So atat vyavritti rupataha na iti prakriya atma abhadya atma bodhayati shruti neti neti iti prakriya badhyam baditva. Now the tika uktamartam shrutyarudam karoti. What is said is, he says with the support of the shruti. It is not what author has himself has said. It's all got shruti as its basis. Shruti arudam. Arudam means apurvaka ruk dhatu. So imposing. So he says with the support of shruti. Shrutyarudam karoti. That is pramanayati. Ataha eva iti. Yataha sakshi chaitanyam abhadyam. What is badhyam? Anatma is badhyam. Atma abhadyam, sakshi chaitanyam abhadyam. Ataha eva saha yeshaha saha sakshi chaitanyam sakshi bhutaha atma na iti atma iti shruti atad vyavritti rupataha. Atad is anatma. So anatma padartha nirakarana dvarena. Bhadyam is nirakaranam. Anatma padartha is padasya arthaha, padartha, that is anatma padartha, vastu, objects. Nirakarana dvara, by the negation of all the anatma padarthas, Bhadyam is nirakarana yogyam. They deserve to be negated. Yogyam, yogyarte, yat. Yogya, shakyarte, Praisha, Pratisarga, Kaleshu, we have seen Yat Pratyaya. So it says, author says, Tikakara says, Bhadyam is Nirakarana Yogyam. Sarvam Anatma Vastu Jatam. The entire thing is Anatma, Samuha. Anatma is, therefore, Bhaditva Nirakritya, Adaha, that, Purnam, Adaha, which is Nirakaratum, Ashakyam, Pratyak Swarupam, Pratyakatma, Sheshayati, Avasheshayati, Ityartaha. Sheshayati, that alone remains after negating everything. Pratyakatma alone remains, Sakshi Chaitanya alone remains, that cannot be negated. The Pratyakatma, Sheshayati, Avasheshayati, iti. Pratyakatma cannot be negated. He is a negator. So negate that which negates everything, and that is abhadyam. What negates everything? It is Atma, Sakshi Chaitanyam negates everything. That remains unnegated. Anatma Bhadyam, Anatma Nirakarana Yogyam, Atma Abhadyam, Nirakarana Ayogyam. Ataha Bhadyam Bhaditva, that which can be negated, negating. Yat Sheshayati Avasheshayati, Saha eva tat, Tadeva tat. That is by Neti Neti iti Prakriya. Atad Vyavritti Rupataha. In the form of Neti Neti Prakriya, the author explains what is that. Atad Vyavritti Rupataha. Atad is Anatma, Vyavritti negation. So in the form of negation of Anatma, that is what Na iti Na iti. What is Anatma? Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Prapancha is Anatma. Therefore, Neti Neti iti. Pratama Neti iti Shabdena सूक्ष्म स्थूल प्रपंच निराकरणं द्वितीय नेति इति शब्देन सूक्ष्म कर्ण प्रपंच निराकरणं कृत्वा किम् अवशिष्यते आत्मा एव अतः तद्व्यावृत्ति रूपतः आत्मा अवशेषयति शेषयति इत्यर्थः. Then the next shloka. Idam रूपं तु यद्यावत् तत्यक्तुं शक्यते खिलम्.
इदं
इदं
रूपं
रूपं तु यद्यावत् तत्यक्तुं शक्यतेऽखिलम्.
अशक्यो ह्यनिदं रूपं स आत्मा बाधवर्जितः.
अशक्यो
अशक्यो हि रूपं सदवर्जितः.
इदं रूपं तु यद्यावत् यदि यावत् यद्यावत् तत् त्यक्तुं शक्यते अखिलम्. अशक्यः हि अनिदं रूपं स आत्मा बाधवर्जितः. So idam rupam, idam iti rupam yasya. Idam is this, that which can be referred to by the word this. This means that everything which can be objectified is this idam. So whatever iti yavat idam rupam tat kim tat tyaktum shakyate akilam, completely without any exception. Tyaktum parityaktum shakyate akilam samagram. कीदृशं बाधितुं शक्यं कीदृशम् अबाधितुं शक्यम् इति पृच्छेत्. जगति अस्मिन् जगति यत् अस्मिन् जगति यत् दृश्यते तस्य निराकरणं कर्तुं शक्यम्. जगति द्वौ पदार्थौ विद्येते. Two padarthas are there. Drik, Drishya iti. Drik, the seer, and Drishya, the seen. Drishya iti Drishyam is that which is seen. What is drishya? Anatma is drishya. Tadeva idam shabdena lakshyate. Idam iti shabdena. Idam iti shabdena. Idam is this. What is this? This drishya prapancha. Then what is drik, the seer, which cannot be referred to by idam? Because drik is the seer, alupta drik. He never blinks. That is Sakshi Chaitanyam. Always is a drik. Drik can never be negated. Abhadyam drik. Drishyam is badhyam. Anatmatvat. Drishyam is badhyam. What about drik? Abhadyaha. Abhadyaha drik. Atma is abhadyaha. So therefore this drishya is referred to by the word idam. Idam shabdena drishya prapanchasya abhidanam kriyate. Then what about drik? Drik na idam anidam. Nansh. Nansh tat purusha. Na idam anidam. Anidam shabdena. Anidam rupaha. Anidam shabdena. Atma sakshi chaitanyam abhidiyate. Ataha दृश्यत्वेन अनुभूयमानं स्वरूपं यस्य तत् idam rupam. Drik is atma. So therefore idam shabdena anatma nirdeshaha kriyate. Anidam shabdena atma nirdeshaha kriyate. Atmanaha binnatvat. Idam rupam sarvam tyaktum shakyate. Parityaktum shakyate. Samagram parityaktum shakyate. What about anidam rupam atma? Anidam rupam tyaktum ashakyam. It is not possible to give up. अतः बाधः न संभवति साक्षी चैतन्यस्य आत्मनः बाधः न संभवति. Therefore बाधवर्जितः सः आत्मा. Atma is anidam rupaha. Anidam rupaha. Na idam anidam. Anidam rupam yasya saha anidam rupaha. Tasya tyajanam tyaktum ashakyam. Ashakyah. Atmanah anidam rupaha ashakyah. Tyaktum ashakyah. Atma bhadavarjitaha cannot be negated. And what is negated is idam rupam, this drishyamanam prapancha. Prapanchaha eva tyaktum shakyam. Akilam, an entire thing. So all that can be negated is either murtam or amurtam, anatma only. Viditam or aviditam. What about atma? Vidita viditabhyam anyat. Viditat anyat, aviditat anyat. So idam refers to any object available for any means of knowledge, pratyakshadi pramana, gocharam, not atma. Therefore, idam tyaktum shakyate can negate it. Mityatva nischayena. They are mithya. Negated means how will you negate? They are mithya, they are not real. Mityatva nischayena. Nischaya jnanena. Idam sarvam jagat, akilam jagat, tyaktum shakyate. What cannot be negated? Tyaktum ashakyaha kaha. That is anidam rupaha. That is atma. Because it is the vishayi. All vishayas can be negated, but vishayi cannot be negated. Vishayi atma saha atma bhadavarjitaha. Saha atma anidam rupaha. Tyaktum ashakyaha. Sakshi Chaitanyam cannot be negated. Therefore, see, for every negation we require two things. The dhatu bhada dhatu, atmanepadi dhatu, which is a sakarmaka dhatu. To negate means to negate something. So there will be the subject of negation and other one will be the object of negation. Two things will be there. Sakarmaka dhatu. What is sakarmaka? We know. Vyapara, Vyadikarana, Phala, Vachakatvam, Sakarmakatvam. The subject, object will be there. Subject, of course, is there for every dhatu. That dhatu which can take object is Sakarmaka, transitive verbs. When all that is to be negated is negated by the negator, what is left out is a negator, the subject alone. That is Atma Saha Atma, Bhadavarjitaha, cannot be negated. Sakshi Chaitanyam is Bhadavarjitaha, devoid of negation. Abhadyam, Trikale api tishtati, that Satyam. Therefore, Satyatvam, Bhadaragityam, what the author says, yes, is proving, is establishing that. Therefore, Satyatvam of Atma, Brahma is established because Atma and Brahma, they are not different. That is the ultimate negator which negates everything. That Sakshi Chaitanyam, which is Satyam, that is the truth. Atma is Abhadyam. Abhadyaha Atma. Iti, the author says, now, the Tika. Na iti, neti, neti, iti, shutihi, Badayogyam, Baditva. Baditum, Badayogyam, after negating those which are negatable, those which can be negated, Yogyam. Then Baditva, Baditum Ashakyam, that which cannot be negated, Ashakyam. Avasheshayiti, iti Uktam. That which cannot be negated, that alone is Atma, iti Uktam. Tatra कीदृशं बाधितुं शक्यं कीदृशम् अशक्यम् इति विवक्षायां तदुभयं विभज्य ते दर्शयति. Here कीदृशं बाधितुं शक्यं, what can be negated and what cannot be negated, इति विवक्षायां विवक्षायां तदुभयं, both, dividing the both, which can be negated, which cannot be negated. The author shows what can be negated, what cannot be negated. Vaktum ichaya vivaksha, vaktum icha vivaksha, विवक्षायाम उभयम दर्शयति टीकाकार विद्यारण्य मुनिः इति टीकाकार says idam रूपम इति idam रूपम इति एवं रूपम idam रूपम इति एवं रूपम दृश्यत्वेन अनुभूयमानं रूपम स्वरूपम यस्य idam रूपम referring to दृश्यत्वेन, which is दृश्यत्वम, which is the status of being seen, experienced. Anubhuyamanam rupam. Swarupam, that is a swarupam, yasya dekha dekhe, sharira, etc. Tad idam rupam. That is what idam rupam. So idam referring to everything, starting from dekha onwards to the entire jagat. Tu shabdena, tu the word is used. Avadharane, avadharanarte tu shabdaha. यदि यावत् इति पदद्वयं सर्वदृश्य उपसंग्रहार्थम्. यदि यावत् इति पदद्वयं सर्वदृश्य उपसंग्रहार्थम्. It is to bring all the दृश्य वस्तु. यदि यावत् इति पदद्वयम्. यदि यावत्, यावत् covers all the यावत् दृश्यम, that is यदि यावत् दृश्यम त्यक्तुं शक्यते. That is padadvayam brings in all that which can be, all which are seen, deserve to be seen, experienced. Evam cha sati yat drishyam, that being so, yat drishyam, that which is seen, tadakiram tyaktum shakyate. That which is seen is can be negated, subject to negation. Shakyate eva ityartaha sampadyate. That is the meaning we get. Anidam rupaha प्रत्यक्त्वेन इदं तया अवगन्तुम् अयोग्यः. अनिदं रूपतः, that is आत्मा, प्रत्यक्त्वेन इदं तया, by this, इदं तया इति अवगन्तुम् अशक्यः, अयोग्यः, cannot be known as this इदं तया. Therefore साक्षी अशक्यस्य अशक्यः साक्षी अशक्यः त्यक्तुम् अशक्यः इत्यर्थः. Therefore, Sakshi Chaitanyam is Tyaktum Ashakyaha, cannot be given up. Then He iti padam asti. Second line Ashakyo Hi Anidam Rupam. He iti Nipatena Nipata. Nipatam is Aviyam. Prasiddhi Dyotakena. The He Shabda in the second line is for the Ashakyaha Hi Anidam Rupaha Prasiddhi. Loka Prasiddhi. Prasiddhi Dyotaka. It is Prasiddhi Dyotaka. He is a Nipata which is Prasiddhi. It is well known, something well known. Therefore, He Shabda is used. Prasiddhi Dyotakaha He Shabdaha. Therefore, Tyaktuhu Swarupatvena Tyaga Yogyatam Sochayati. Tyaktuhu is the Tyakta, the one who gives up. The one who gives up, who negates, that is called, that is Tyakta. Then, Tyaga Ayogyatam Sochayati. That Idam Rupa is the, Anidam Rupa is the Rupa, Swarupam of the Tyakta. Therefore, it cannot be given up. Therefore, Tyaga Ayogyatam. Ayogyatam, the status of Ayogya, not possible, not deserved. Ayogya. Tyaga Ayogyatam Sochayati. Tyaktuho Swarupatvena Tyaga Ayogyatam Sochayati. He iti Nipataha Prasiddha Dyotakaha. Tena Anidam Rupam. Tyaktuho Swarupam is Anidam Rupam Atma. Tasya Tyaga Ayogyatam Sochayati. The author shows the impossibility of, or the giving up the Atma. The Tyaktuha Swarupam. Tyaktuha Swarupam, Atma cannot be, the Tyakta can negate everything, but Tyakta cannot negate its Swarupa. Tyaktuha Swarupam, Swarupasya Bhadaha, Nishedaha Kartum na Shakyate. Palitam Aha Atma iti. Yaha Bhadaragitaha Sakshi Sahayeva Atma na Ahankaradihi Drishyaha Ityartaha. So, Bhadaragita Sakshi, that is Atma, not Idam Rupataha. It is Anidam Rupataha. Idam Rupataha is Agankaradi. Drishyamanatvat. Tyaktam Shakyate. Swarupatvena Anidam Rupataha Atma. Tyaktam Ashakyate. Cannot be given up. Because he is a negator. The author says, then the next shloka. Siddham Brahmani Satyatvam Jnanatvam Tu Pureritam.
सिद्धं
सिद्धं ब्रह्मणि सत्यत्वं
त्वं
ज्ञानत्वं
ज्ञानत्वं
प्रेरितम्
पुरेरितम्
Swayamevānubhūtitvat ityādi vachanaiः स्फुटम्.
स्वयम् एवानुभूतित्वात् इत्यादिवचनैः
स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वात्
स्फुटम्
इत्यादिवचनैः स्फुटम्.
Therefore, here the author says that is, Atma is abhadyam. Iti siddhaha bhavati. Atma abhadyaha atma iti. Abhadyaha atma means Atma is satyaha. Therefore, Brahma satyam. Brahmani satyatvam siddham bhavati. Brahmani Atmani satyatvam siddham. Atma Brahma is satyam. Atma being Brahma, therefore Brahma is satyam. That's why the author uses Brahma. Brahmani satyam iti. Shruti equates Atma and Brahma. Tasmad etasmad Atmanaha Akasha sambhutaha. Akashat Vayu ityadi. Therefore, from there, Shruti equates Atma and Brahma. Atma is abadhya. Brahma is abadhyam. Therefore, Brahma is Satyam iti. Satyam Brahma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Iti Shruti Brahmana Satyatvam Jnanatvam Anantatvam cha bodhayati. So therefore, Brahma is Satyam, Atma is Satyam iti established. Now Jnanatvam. Brahmane Satyatvam Jnanatvam to Pura Iritam. Pureritam means Pura. Pura Iritam. Pura is Purvam. Iritam. Iritam means told. Abhigitam. Uktam ityartaha. Pura Iritam. So Satyatvam. Satyatvam is Abhadyatvam. Badarahityam. Already we saw. Now, Jnanam. Jnanam is Anubhutihi. That the author says, Swayameva Anubhutitvad ityadi vachanai is Putam. That also already Nirupitaha eva. Kutra? Swayameva Anubhutitvad. Kutra Swayameva Anubhutitvad Vidyatena Anubhavyatha. Yatra Jnanantara Bhavat Agneyo Natvasattaya. Kutra Asmin Prakarane eva. This Prakarana itself, 13th shloka, the author doesn't say that about Jnanam. Satyatvam, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam. Satyatvam already established of Atma, Brahma. Then Jnanam, that Anubhuti, it is said in the, already it is told. Swayameva vidyatena anubhavyatha. See already Purvam Muktam eva. Swayameva anubhutitvat. Na anubhavyata. Swayameva anubhutitvat. Anubhavyata means na anubhavyata means na anubhava gocharatvam. Anya anubhava gocharatvam. It is anubhava swarupa. It is the nature of the very it's for anubhuti. Atma anubhuti doesn't require any special anubhuti. Swayam eva anubhutitvat. Na anya anubhava gocharaha atma. Anya pramana anubhava gocharaha atma. Because it is swayam eva anubhutitvat. Atma is na anubhava anya anubhava vishayaha. So Atma is Chaitanya Rupaha, Anubhava Swarupaha. In every Anubhava, Atma is appreciated. Therefore, Atma is not Anubhava Vishaya, Anya Anubhava Vishaya. Therefore, because Atma is not known like any other Vastu, you cannot dismiss it because it is Anubhava Swarupaha, Atma. Therefore, the author he quotes the same what he has said in 13th shloka. We can recollect 13th shloka that where we have seen. So Atma is Atma na Jnyayaha. Because it is Jnyayaha. Jnyayaha is like other Vastu. Because like other Vastu it cannot be known doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Jnatra Jnanantara Abhavat. It doesn't. Jnatra Jnanantara Abhavat. Jnata Nasti Jnanam Nasti. Because it is a Swarupa of the very Jnata. In every Jnanam, Jnata, Jnanam, Jnayam is there. But what about Atma? Anya, Jnatra Jnanantara, Antara, Anya. Anya Jnata, Anya Jnanam na nasti. There cannot be another Jnata to know because it is Jnapti Swarupa, Jnatra Swarupa. Therefore, na Anubhavyata, the status of being known by other knower in the form of Jnanam is not possible for Atma. Why? Hetu is Swayameva Anubhava Rupatvat, Anubhutitvat. I am is always is known. Only I am, therefore only I do action. I know, even the knowing action also. It is, therefore it is Anubhava Rupaha. Therefore, tasya separate Anubhava, Vishesha Anubhava nasti. That's what he says here. Swayameva Anubhutitvat. Anubhutihi. Atma Anubhutihi. Which is Aparoksha. Atma is Nitya Aparoksha. Therefore, Aparoksha Anubhutihi Jnanam. That's what the author here refers to. Therefore, Siddham Brahmani Satyatvam Jnanatvam tu Pura Iritam. Jnanatvam already told. Purvam Iritam Asmabhihi. Purvam Iritam Purvam Uttameva iti. So therefore, Jnanatvam already discussed. Swayameva Anubhutitvat Ityadi Vachanehi by these words. From that word it is Putam. It is clear. I don't have to mention it here, the author says. So therefore, Atmanaha Anubhava Swarupaha. Atma Anubhava Swarupaha iti Nirupitaha Purvam. Therefore, two Lakshanas of Atma, of Brahma, been talked about so far. One is Satyam, other one is Jnanam. Satyam Jnanam, another one is left out, which is Ananta. That the author going to say in the other shlokas. So Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Yo Veda Nigitam Gughayam Parame Vyoman. Nigitam Gughayam. Panchakosha Gughayam Nigitam. Brahma. That Brahma is Satyam, it is Jnanam. The Panchakosha Vilakshanam Brahma, and that Brahma is, Atma is Anubhuti Rupam, Anubhuti Swarupam. It is the content of all the experiences. It is experienced all the time because it is oneself. In every cognition, it is there. Swayameva Anubhutitvat. The Jnanam also, here we can know, there are two types of Jnanam. One is Swarupa Jnanam of Brahma. Swarupa Jnanam of Brahma is, it is not optional. It is the nature of Brahma, Swarupa Jnanam. Then other one is Vritti Jnanam. Swarupa Jnanam is, even, it is not opposed to Ajnanam. It is not opposed to Ajnanam. Chaitanyam reveals Ajnanam and sustains Ajnanam. Whereas Swarupa Jnanam is not opposed to Ajnanam. Even the Ajnanam is illumined by, ignorance is illumined by Swarupa Jnanam. Then what is his Vritti Jnanam does? Vritti Jnanam removes the Ajnanam. Vritti Jnanam is Janya Jnanam. Swarupa Jnanam, we can classify like this. Vritti Jnanam is, Vritti Jnanam is the knowledge that Aham Brahma iti, that is Vritti Jnanam. That removes Ajnana Vritti. That is Vritti Jnanam. But Ajnanam is also illumined by what? That is by Atma, that is the nature of Atma, Swarupa Jnanam. Therefore, Ajnanam and Jnanam, they coexist. There is no problem. It can coexist. Because Swarupa Jnanam is not opposed to Ajnanam. Even Ajnanam is sustained by the Swarupa Jnanam. But Ajnanam is removed by Vritti Jnanam. That is where the Shastra comes in. So therefore, these two types of Jnanam, Vritti Jnanam and Swarupa Jnanam. Then when we say Jnanam here, what is the Jnanam? We are talking about Swarupa Jnanam, Satyam Jnanam, Anantam Brahma. That is Jnanam. That is the nature of Brahma. Nyati Swarupaha Brahma iti. That Brahma Aham iti, that for that Vritti. That is only by Vritti, only by Shastra Pramanam. Okay. Then, the Tika now here. So up to this, the Satyatvam and Jnanatvam of Brahma is talked about. Then from next shloka onwards, Anantatvam, Anantyam will be covered. Now let us read the Tika for this. Bhavatu Atmanah Abhadetvam Prakrute Kim Ayatamiti Yaha. Fine. Atmanah Abhadetvam Prakrute. So what? Kim Ayatam Siddham iti Brahmani Brahma Lakshane Yat Satyatvam Abhigitam Tad Atmani Siddham Bhavatu. So Brahma Lakshanam is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, that is a Lakshanam. Swarupa Lakshanam it is. Tatastha Lakshanam Tasmadetasmad Atmanaha Sambhutaha Akashad Vayu Agnihi, that is Tatastha Lakshanam. So Yata Satyatvam Abhigitam Tad Atmani Siddham Bhavatu. Brahma Lakshanam is Atma Lakshanam. Sachit Anandaha Atma iti. Satyatvam Jnanatvam Katamiti Akankshayam Tat Purvameva Upapaditamiti Yaha. Satyatvam already established. Jnanatvam already told. Purvameva Upapaditam. Kutra Swayamevānubhūtitvāt vidyatena anubhavyata ityādi vachanaihi Jnana Rupatvam Purvameva Samyak Abhigitam ityartaha. Jnana Rupatvam is already Abhigitam, already told. So therefore, Jnanatvam talked about, Satyatvam established. Now, Brahma Lakshanam, Anya Brahma Lakshanam is Anantyam. That will be talked about from the next shloka, which we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు. ధన్యవాదాలు విశాల్.
Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు జీ.
Dhanyavadaha.